If you provide services with delivery, such as installation or removal of existing products, you may add the installation settings tool to your console and add the option to your clients to purchase that service when they make purchases on your site. To open it, you would click on Installations Settings. And that will bring you to the main page. If you're creating a new installation, for example, anybody that purchases a Samsung product can have their existing Samsung product or their existing product removed from their house when the new one is delivered. You would click on Add a New Installation. And then we'll just simply call that Removal. For our zone, give it code, and it would cost $150. These two boxes, this is not something that you will be requiring, so you don't need to check this one. And it is also not something that you can add without consent for your clients. So you don't need to add this one. They don't need to select it automatically. They would be able to choose to purchase this additional service. And then your filter, we said we would do this for Samsung, so we'll go ahead and add a new brand. If we wanted to extend this to particular Samsung categories, we could do so using these tabs here, or even specific products. We can use these tabs up here to filter all of the available choices for it. And then once we've made the changes, you would update all my changes. And the tool will tell you that it was successful. To check it on your site, you would go to your website and then go to your brands. This was a Samsung product, so we will open a Samsung item. Add that to our cart. And then in the cart, here you have your warranty. And then you also have the installation plan. So for this particular one, you do have the in-home installation, which is required, and the optional removal of the existing. And then if your clients wanted to add that as well, they'd be able to add it to their shopping cart. And then the installation price would adjust accordingly. If you have additional questions about this tool, please reach out to us at service@tailbase.com. Thank you.